In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Teams app. We'll walk through the process using the Microsoft Store on a Windows PC, keeping things simple and clear so you can get Teams installed confidently. Start by opening the Microsoft Store. You'll find it on your taskbar or in your Start menu. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar on your computer and type Microsoft Store. Give it a moment to load. Having a stable internet connection helps here, since the store needs to fetch the latest app listings. Once the store is open, look for the search box at the top. Click into it and type Microsoft Teams, then press Enter. The store will display a list of results. You're looking for the official Microsoft Teams app published by Microsoft Corporation. Checking the publisher name is a quick way to make sure you're getting the genuine app and not a similarly named tool. You'll usually see the familiar Teams logo, and the listing may show ratings and a brief description confirming you're on the right page. Click Microsoft Teams in the results to open its dedicated app page. Here, you can read a short overview, browse screenshots, and glance at system requirements to ensure your device is compatible. This page also shows the app's size and any recent updates, which can be helpful if you're managing limited storage or want to confirm it's the current release. Now, click Install or Get. The button text may vary slightly depending on your version of Windows, but both start the same download and install process. The Microsoft Store may show a brief progress indicator as it retrieves the app and sets it up on your device. If you're asked to confirm with your Microsoft account, that's a normal part of the store experience. Just allow the store to complete its work. You don't need to adjust any system settings for a standard install. While the progress ring moves, avoid closing the store or putting your device to sleep. Most installations complete quickly, but times can vary based on your internet speed. When the installation finishes, the button will typically change to Open, which is your confirmation that Microsoft Teams is now installed and ready to use whenever you need it. That's all there is to it. Open the Microsoft Store, search Microsoft Teams, click Microsoft Teams, and click Install or Get. With those steps done, you've successfully downloaded the Microsoft Teams app on your Windows computer.